Welcome to my channel.
Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro specifications, price leaked again ahead of imminent launch. All details: Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to launch globally on Thursday, and customers can pre-order both handsets in India on the same day. The upcoming Pixel 7 lineup is confirmed to feature Google's next-generation Tensor G2 SoC. Color options of both smartphones have also been revealed by the company. Google is tipped to launch the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7 at the same price as the Pixel 6 series. In addition, rumors surrounding the specifications of these two smartphones have been in abundance ahead of their debut on October 6. A new report by WinFuture has leaked the complete specifications and starting price of the Pixel 7 Pro and Pixel 7. There have been several leaks related to both smartphones' specifications recently. The latest report seems to offer an in-depth look at the possible configuration of these two upcoming Google smartphones. Google Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro price, rumored. According to the report, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will cost €649, roughly 52,000 rupees, and €899, roughly 73,000 rupees, respectively. Previous leaks suggest that the two smartphones will cost the same as the Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro when they were launched last year. Google Pixel 7 specifications, rumored. The standard Google Pixel 7 smartphone is believed to sport a 6.32-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 pixels, POL display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 1400 nits of brightness. The screen is expected to feature Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Under the hood, this smartphone is said to feature a Tensor G2 SoC, coupled with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. This handset is tipped to feature a dual rear camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f/1.85 aperture and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture. However, it also gets dual cameras on the front, including 10-megapixel and 8-megapixel sensors, as per the report. The Pixel 7 is said to be 155.64 by 73.16 by 8.7 mm in dimensions and weigh about 195.5 g. It could pack a 4,355 mAh battery with wireless charging support. This is said to be dual SIM 5G smartphone with Bluetooth version 5.2 support. Google Pixel 7 Pro specifications, rumored. According to the report, the Pixel 7 Pro has a 6.7-inch 2K, 1440 by 3120 pixels, POL display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1500 nits of brightness. The display supposedly also gets Gorilla Glass 7 protection. It is said to pack a Tensor G2 SoC. Paired with 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. For optics, this smartphone is said to feature a triple rear camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS and autofocus. There is also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f/2.2 aperture and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with an f/3.5 aperture, according to the report. The Pixel 7 Pro could feature a dual front camera, including a 10-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. The Pixel 7 Pro is a dual SIM 5G smartphone that also offers Bluetooth V5 2 support. It has an IP68 rated design for great water and dust resistance. It is said to measure 162.9 by 76.55 by 8.9 mm and weigh about 212 g. This smartphone is likely to get a 5,000 mAh battery with wireless charging support. It could come with features like stereo speakers and facial recognition, as per the report.